Hello everyone, we have installed our UV Flatbed 8x4 machine in Orissa, Angul, and let's talk with our customer what he has to say about our machine. Hello sir, we have installed our machine from Access Enterprises, and we just want to know that what you want to do with our machine, what you want to print.
I want to print almari,
Okay.
plywood,
Okay.
glass.
Okay. So, can I ask you this question that when you have seen a demo, which we have, I think we showed you demo in Barnala, Punjab. So now your machine is installed, and is your machine is giving the same quality which we have showed you?
Yes, 100%.
Okay. So are you satisfied with the installation and the training given to you?
Obviously.
Okay, so as much days we have told you that our engineer will be at your place till the time you will start to learn the machine. Is it okay with the days and the everything, every service given by the engineer?
Yes.
Okay, so would you recommend our machine to the new customers?
Very good.
Okay.